15 kilometers to the north of Durban lies the fabulous holiday resort village of Umhlanga Rocks, where visitors from around the world flock to enjoy the golden sands and warm waters of the Indian Ocean and some of the best accommodation with a variety of superb holiday accommodation, luxury hotels, lodges and B&Bs. Umhlanga Rocks is the perfect hub in which to start your holiday with a variety of tours and activities to choose from. Umhlanga offers a wealth of entertainment, shops and restaurants. Chartwell Drive is a popular entertainment strip for both local and foreign visitors. Outdoor lovers can explore the coastline and exciting nature trails, all in a secure environment. For the serious golfers, there are many superb golf courses, all within a 15-minute drive of Umhlanga. For the ocean enthusiast, the Umhlanga Coastline offers many options, including dolphin viewing, ski boat fishing, scuba diving, surfing and kite surfing. These are some of the many activities available along the superb stretch of coast. Gateway Theatre of Shopping, La Lucia Mall, the Sharks Board and Virginia Airport are just some of the key attractions that the Umhlanga region has to offer. Just a 5-kilometer drive north lies Umhloti with sandy beaches and safe children's rock pools. Ideal for a day trip or even an overnight stay, this lovely strip of coastline offers a vast amount of mixed holiday accommodation from B&Bs to self-catering apartments. 5 kilometers to the south of Umhlanga, Durban North is ideal for the business traveller. Conveniently situated in between Umhlanga and Durban Central, this trendy suburb offers a range of places to stay, vibey restaurants, a bustling business centre and a bird park located by the Umgeni River, which gives visitors the chance to get up close to a variety of exotic and indigenous bird life. Umhlanga is situated just a short 10-minute drive south on the N2 from the new King Shaka International Airport and only 16 kilometers from the centre of Durban on the M4. Umhlanga is perfectly positioned as the main tourism hub to start any leg of a South African adventure. The Umhlanga Coastline, a touch of paradise awaiting the weary traveller. You've been watching City Info TV.